Welcome to StoryShell Academy. In this tutorial we will localize an existing audio from English to German. Once you're in the story editor and you have your selected language, click Translate Text. A menu with the list of languages that we have available and their dialects is going to pop up. Choose the selected one or type it directly into the text box. Once our text is translated, the next step is to select the desired speaker. StoryShell will display speakers in the proper language, in this case German.
Alle Menschen sind frei und gleich an Würde und Rechten geboren.
Once you make your selection, you can now preview the new voiceover.
Wählen Sie Skythian Roofworks für langlebige Dächer. Unsere energieeffizienten Materialien sorgen dafür, dass Ihr Zuhause bei jedem Wetter geschützt bleibt.
If you're happy with this result, click on the Export button and export your new voiceover.